Transworld Enterprises, a family of technocrats who are into automotive industry for last 5 decades and has a major presence in Indian subcontinent automotive industry. Transworld Enterprises is one of the leading quality-conscious manufacturers of automotive components and are well known by their well-established brand called Go. Our product portfolio includes universal joint crosses, steering cross assemblies, and propeller shaft components, along with latest introduction of wheel spanners and L spanners. Go has always been characterized by spirit of quality. Our brand is distributed and marketed by world-renowned India Motor Parts and Accessories Limited. Go produces more than 1 million units annually and is upgrading its production capacity to touch 2.5 million units by the end of 2020. Transworld Enterprises boasts of a long, eventful history of success. Since its inception in 1986, the company has evolved into an automotive supplier of global stature with 1 lakh square feet of production area. Our unit is equipped for world-class manufacturing and quality standards, which are backed by ISO 9001:2015 certification. Because of the consistent quality, excellent supply chain and efficient application research, our range of automotive components have achieved permanent slot in the procurement list of all the quality-conscious trading houses and OEMs. Our focus on automation and technology has kept us at the forefront of the automotive industry. Striving for excellence is an integral part of our culture. That's why we don't just have machines. We have world-renowned brands of machines like Makino, Tsugami, Jung Berlin, WMW, LMW, HMT, Parishud, and Churchill, just to name a few. Our manufacturing expertise and holistic quality management ensure a level of product quality that is significantly above the sector average. We have various levels of inspections to ensure zero defects policy. To keep ahead of the competition, the company gainfully draws upon emerging technologies, stays engaged in its endeavor to add value. New technologies and systems in modern vehicles pose even greater challenges for aftermarket solutions. Our in-house designing team help us achieve the highest level of cost effectiveness and precision. Our philosophy is very simple and clear: quality first. Our mission is to produce 2.5 million units annually by 2020.